you're in our country tonight, I'm going to your country. I'm going to speak in the Dublin area tonight. And some of the subject of
Yes.
hopefully putting up the fields. We're not leaving the United Kingdom, not now, or any time in the future. So I think it's better if we try and ensure no one rewrites the past, because we all build for the future. That's what we all have to do. And I think most people agree with that.
I don't think we can ever rewrite the past. I think it's very important.
Some people are trying.
No, I don't. I think it's very important that we learn from history.
Yeah.
We know our history and look forward to the St. Museum.
Yes, I understand.
And I actually took your speech in short and because people were standing up,
Right, yeah.
you know. But I'm looking forward to the interest and particularly the project in the Siege Museum and reaching out to participants from all over the country.
Yeah.
I understand that there'll be 12 participants. Maybe it's ongoing. So I'm looking forward to asking questions about
And
that.
that's difficult sometimes when you're here on the west bank of the farm, where only 5% of the population are from our community. Just hope we can renew our acquaintances to try and build on that.
Absolutely. It's the reason I'm here. It's the reason I'm here to listen. And I apologize. You know, absolutely. And we're here to listen and to learn from each other.
Okay, that's great.